I'm moving out of my parents' house at 24. Finally, the time has come. This is what we're dealing with. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Raya, and in today's video, this is episode 2, part 2 of the moving diaries. We're moving out and you're coming along with me through the whole thing. I'm moving into my dream apartment. She's so cute. I can't wait to show you guys. But first we need to prepare to move out and get all my stuff together. So I need to start packing. I need to get rid of everything that I own, okay? I need to figure out what's coming with me and what we're leaving behind. It's May 18th and we move out June 1st, and I don't want to leave packing to the last minute. I'm trying to be proactive. I'm trying to, you know, be responsible and get things done early. So let's do it. I want to start packing up some stuff and just figuring out what I'm going to take with me, because I've been living here my whole life, so I just have everything that I've ever owned and it can all come with me to my apartment. So let's get right into it. I want to start packing up some things, but first my room's a mess, so I need to clean it a bit and then we can do that, okay? Let's go. Okay, we're in my room. I just got a wide angle lens and this is the best purchase of my life. Are you kidding? Now I feel like I can just fit everything in the lens, but my room's a mess. Yeah, you can see that, but let me take a little video on my phone to really show you what we're working with. Ooh, it's not looking too good. So I'm gonna do a little speed clean and then we can start to organize this whole mess that we've got going on. I can't believe that I'm moving out, you guys. Like, am I gonna cry? I don't know. Like, I'm definitely ready to move and, you know, adult and get into my own place, but it's still sad leaving my childhood home. Okay, it's looking much better. I can see the floor now, so that's good. My mom's been saving a bunch of boxes for me, so shout out mom. So I'm gonna go get a few and then we can figure out what we're gonna pack first. Let's get into it. I was kind of thinking of packing up like my books and stuff like that first. I have some books on this shelf right here, so I could pack those up, and I have some in my closet in there as well. I don't know, I feel like the books are like, it's a good thing to start with. I also have some random like fitness equipment, like some like resistance bands and stuff that I could pack up as well. So let's start with the books. I don't even know how big of a box I need for these books, but we'll take this one. It's like, if I don't know if I want to take a book, I'm gonna leave it here. Need the power of now. I'm also gonna take my little book holder. Let's go into my closet and get those books out. They are very high up. Okay, my closet also needs a lot of help, but let's just focus on the books up there. We gotta get them down. This book called Where's Mom Now That I Need Her? Surviving Away from Home. Okay, perfect. Oh, it has recipes, crunchy corn dogs. What? Stain removing. Oh my gosh. It has like pneumonia, it has like bad breath. Oh my gosh. STIs. Oh, we're taking this. Okay, I think that's all of the books. Let's pack them up. I cannot believe I never had this lens before. Like, are you kidding? Textbook. Could try and sell her. These are all my books that I'm going to take. I'm going to take them to the basement and then we'll fill up another box. Okay, box number 2. I think I'm going to pack up like some random fitness stuff that I have. Elastic bands. So I'm going to throw these in there. Like that. Got my block, therapy block. I have this gym bag that is handy, so I'm going to take it. Okay, I'm also going to throw my scale in here when it's time to move. I still use it right now, but it's going to go in here. I think I'm going to start to pack up some of my shoes just because, I don't know, I don't wear all of them right now, so might as well put them away. Because there's 2 weeks till I move and I'm like, hey, within those 2 weeks, am I going to wear these boots? I don't know. These still have the tag on from the thrift. $16.49 for these boots. Isn't that a steal? Like, kind of good. So how about this bag? My Dunks I will keep. My New Balances I will keep. My Jordans. My cutie boots. Oh, so many shoes. And I think I need them all. Like maybe these, it's like K dupe. But these are kind of good if I go on like a trip. Okay, I'll keep them. These, yup, these, yup. I don't know if I need them. They could be good for working though, so I'll keep them. How many pairs of shoes does a girl need? Now I'm gonna take this downstairs. Oh, at least there's handles. To be honest, you guys, I'm bored of this. I put a couple of things that I don't want anymore in there. It's like I kind of just don't even know where to start. I feel like I need more boxes. I'm gonna stop here for now. But you know what? I filled like 3 boxes. I feel like I just need to do a little bit every day. Like I'll do some more tomorrow and I'll just keep filming as I go until this whole room is empty. Okay, so we started. Okay, and that's good enough, right? I'm gonna stop here and I'll talk to you guys when I pick it back up again. Okay, you guys, we're back. So this moving vlog is just all out over the place. I have been so bad at vlogging because I've been so stressed with the move, and like, yeah, it's stressful. Even though everyone's like, this is gonna be your easiest move ever, like I'm still stressed, okay? But I thought I'd vlog tonight while I pack a little bit more. Honestly, this is where we're at. I'm pretty much done. My closet there, empty. All those cabinets empty. All like my clothes are packed. I just have like the little miscellaneous things, which is like stressing me out kind of. And I also have some boxes here that I'm just like keeping open because I use my makeup and stuff. But I'm thinking I'm just gonna like make a box with all my essentials that I'm like using right now so that I can get all this stuff in my basement. We moved Sunday, it's Thursday night, and I've been working every day this week, so I've been coming home and packing until like midnight, and that's what I'm about to do right now. So I think I'm going to make myself my little essentials box for the next few days and then pack everything else up. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna go shopping and you're gonna come along with me. Gotta get a TV, gotta get like all this stuff. I need to update you guys. I got a couch, I got a vanity. Like I've been doing some shopping, but really gotta get stuff done tomorrow because Saturday I work 12 hours and then Sunday we move. So we're gonna keep this vlog going, okay? I'm not abandoning it. So I need to shower, but then we'll get to packing. It's time to get into it. I've got my box here, so we're gonna put in all my essentials that I use right now so that I can use this for my stuff and then put everything else away. I also have all my laundry that I need to put into another box, so let me do that right now. It has just all of the skincare in it. Skincare. We need to write skincare. is gonna be a heavy one. Off we go to the basement. Okay, so now I need to put everything that I'm currently using in this box. So I have just like some activewear, work clothes that I need for the week, for the next like 3 days. My purse, one sweater. And that way I can get everything off my floor too. Perfect. Now I have like my vanity situation going on here. I have like 10 million lip products that I'm like, what am I gonna do with them? I do have a hair care bin started here, but I think I might do the same thing as pack that one up and then just put my essentials in that bin. So let's do that. I've got my makeup bag, obviously I need that. This is gonna be my lip bag. Okay, I've got a lip bag. I don't know. Off we go. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it quits because I have to wake up early tomorrow, but got that box set up. I put like 3 or 4 boxes downstairs. I just really have like my supplements, one more drawer under my bed, just like miscellaneous stuff that I don't want to deal with, but we will do it tomorrow. So, but I want to show you what I got so far downstairs. So this is what we're dealing with. I've got all of these boxes behind me, some cushions. Oh, I gotta take my treadmill, but you know what, we're almost done. So the stuff in the very back is my sister's, but this is all mine. Couple things right there. I feel like I'm doing pretty good. But I'm gonna get some sleep and we'll see you tomorrow for a shopping day.